Greetings, welcome back to Randomtronic. My name is Chris and today we will be opening a few more packages that came in. I think some of those here are going to be items that I'm waiting for to start power delivery testing on the USB. One of those, I think I have no idea what it is, so a surprise. So let's begin. This one here is the mystery package, which I actually haven't got an idea what could be inside. So let's open it up and oh, what is this? Oh, this is interesting. I really do not know what is this. Has someone sent me this by mistake? Oh, it's a box and I can see a printed circuit board inside and some bugs. Oh, and the battery compartment. This board says RX. I think I know what it is. I guess this will be the transmitter, TX, and the RX 2.4. 6 buttons. I guess we're gonna have a build video shortly with this. I can see the case has got 4 buttons on the top, well, on the front, and the 2 on the top side. From the description here, this should be forward, back, left, right. This will be a power switch and an indicator LED. Those will be function 1 and function 2. For all in all, this looks like some kind of a remote control for something. And again, judging by the 6 buttons here, this looks like it has 3 outputs. Presumably, this will be an H-bridge. So if you connect a motor, it will spin forwards or backwards. But I really can't remember ordering it. So whoever sent it, thank you. Next one. This one, without a doubt, this came from Banggood. And this is 2 items. And this is really cool. An electronic USB constant current loads. It has 2 knobs for coarse and fine adjustments and even got a display which will display the value. This is probably the most advanced USB load that I found on the internet. As you can see, it's got a whole gallery of different USB connectors. We've got mini, Type-C, micro. I think this is the lightning connector and another micro. And of course the USB input here. Another thing that's so special about it is this second board. This enables us to trigger Quick Charge 2.0 or Quick Charge 3.0. When a USB device is connected and it works in a quick charge mode, it's no longer sending 5 volts. In order to limit the amount of current that it pushes through, but to transfer more energy, it bumps up the voltage that's sending out on the USB port to as much as 20 volts. You can send quite a lot more energy that way. But this will allow us to test Quick Charge 2.0 and 3.0 and many other things. So I'll need to work out how to use this, but that will be a completely separate video with that. Of course, I will put a link to this item on Banggood in the video description, subject to being tested, but I think this is the coolest USB electronic load that exists at the moment. Next. And what could that be? A USB charger. This also came from Banggood. It's a USB charger with 4 ports and an input. Now, input is not mains, some sort of voltage. It's not entirely clear what input voltage we should put into here, but we'll find out. A nice big display which will show us currents are coming out of the outputs, and one of the outputs supports quick charge. This will come really handy in testing the USB cables and USB charging modes. And next, this is the last of the 4. Super cool as well. A USB meter, properly packaged, this one. So this is UM34C. It's a USB power meter. If I can only get this out of the box. Not only this will show us lots of different information about what's going on with the power supply, also it enables us to do data logging. Because this has got Bluetooth and there is an app for Android, log the data and see what's happening over a period of time. Again, this will be a separate teardown. It looks like it's quite a bit involved. I've got one of those little power meters, little KWSI thing that I've been using. This is just USB 2.0. This one here, a lot more complex. It's 2 PCBs, top one is just a layer of acrylic. It will be an interesting teardown. Those are the items that were waiting for me to open the packages, and I hope you found it interesting. It will be more interesting when we get to them individually. Links for all of those will of course be in the video description, so if you're interested, please make sure to click them and check them out. But nonetheless, thank you very much for watching and joining me for this quick video. Please subscribe for more random electronics related stuff. For today, that's it. Take care.